Welcome to another episode of Breaking Bank. This is your host, Jack McCaig. Check us out on libertyaid.org. It's a Q&A. Someone wrote in, write your questions to contact@libertyaid.org. And if it's a good one, not just to your individual situation, one that, refers to other questions that others have had, well, I'll try and get a video out about it. Okay. Is the next one. Hey Jack, wanted you to take a look at this and tell me what you think and how it will affect the outcome of the process to be released from the lender of the mortgage. Looking forward to hearing from you. Clive. Okay. Thanks, Clive. And he sent me links to I'm looking up, what's it called here? It's on Mortgage Attack, and it's about how to get the benefits of a securitization audit free. Securitization audits decline dramatically. Find out why. Anyway, it's about a securitization audit. In other words, what happened to the thing you signed, your mortgage, whatever. That doesn't matter. And every time I've heard of anyone bringing up this issue, any auditing of the paperwork or anything, a judge has always thrown it out or not let it on the record. Always. It's never relevant because it is relevant. Winning at court is a hoax. It'll never happen. It's never happened by anyone in the history of humans. No one's won at court. That's a made-up story on TV. You've seen it on TV because it's not real. Anything on TV is not real. Okay, so you can't win at court, and they're not going to admit this as evidence, because why? It was just, more proof what they do is a lie. But they already know everything they do is a lie. You think they don't know, but every lawyer knows, every banker knows. They all know. They participate willingly. You're their slave. So, and that's their life. And that's actually their religion, too. So, they're not going to let something on the record that is going to mess with their religion of, you're being their slave is really their religion. And so, they're not going to let you out of that. So there's only one method ever to win against, the government, the bank, or religion. It's a combo method, right? My work, or the paperwork. You ask for proof, right? They never have it. You flip the switch, then they owe you, and you go collect. See, until you threaten their assets and their revenue stream, right? They will not negotiate with you. They will not speak with you. They throw your work in the shredder. They don't care about humanity. That's a hoax. It's fake. Government's there to steal only. It's not there for another purpose. It's just to make you literally their slave, period. And they don't exist for another reason. So this is, until you threaten, what's the revenue stream? That's their job, and so on, and their bar card, their license, etc., their reputation, blah blah blah. And then what are their assets? You threaten their assets. It could be the county's assets, the courthouse, a lawyer's house, really, anything. So that's the way we win. We force them to the settlement table by what? Doing exactly what they do to them. Doing exactly what they do to us, right? Which is foreclose on us, say debt is real, steal our cars, and steal our money in our bank accounts. That's what they do, right? Okay, that's all legal because they do it, so we can do it all too. And until you're willing to do that, you're going to lose, and you're going to be their slave. So if you don't want to be their slave, get in touch with us over at Liberty Aid. It's the only place on earth that has this information. No one else has it. Not anyone. You'll never find it on another website. Not ever. No one has done this work. I'm the only one with proof. There will never be anyone else doing this but me. Okay? And the government will probably be taking down this website at some point. Don't you think? Wouldn't you if you were them? So if you don't get this soon, really, hey, it's on you. You're a slave by your choice. Okay? So either get the work and do it, or be a slave. Jack McCaig with libertyaid.org. All right. God bless your success.